Principles of Computer Ethics were informated by the Computer Ethics Institute in 1992 to guide ethics behavior in the use of computer and technologies, where an explanation of each commandments. Number one, that should not use a computer to harm other people. These commandments emphasize that computers should not be used as tools to cause harm or damage to others. This could be in the information of physical harm, emotional distress, financial loss, or damage to reputation. Example, gumamit ng computer para magpadala ng virus na magsagawa ng cyber attack or magbully online. 2. Thou shalt not interfere with other people's computer works. This rule stress that one should not disrupt other, alter, or obstruct other individual digital activities or processes. This a call of respecting or other digital space or work. For example, hacking sa account ng iba para baguhin o tanggalin ang kanilang trabaho o paggamit ng software na nagkakasagabal sa performance ng computer ng iba. Number 3, thou shalt not snap around in other people's computer file. This commandment uploads the right to privacy. It condemns authorized access to other personal digital or data files without permission. Number 4, thou shalt not use a computer to steal. This principle holds that use computer for theft, whether intellectual, properly digital content, or financial resources in intellectual. For example, pag-download ng mga printed na software o media, paggamit ng credit card ng iba ng walang pahintulot, o pagnanakaw ng identity online.
Number 5 and 10 Computer Commandments. Thou shalt not use a computer to bear false witness. This commandment emphasizes honesty and integrity in online interactions. It prohibits spreading false information, engaging in cyberbullying, or making false claims. Number 6 is, thou shalt not copy or use proprietary software for which you have not paid without permission. This commandment highlights the importance of respecting intellectual property rights. It prohibits using pirated software, cracked games, or illegal streaming sites. Number 7 is, thou shalt not use other people's computer resources without authorization or proper compensation. This commandment emphasizes respect for others' resources. It prohibits using someone else's Wi-Fi without their consent, of borrowing their printer without asking.
Number 8 commandment. Thou shalt not appropriate other people's intellectual output. This commandment prohibits plagiarism and emphasizes the importance of giving credit where credit is due. It prohibits copying and passing someone's work without citing them or stealing someone's code without giving them credit. Number 9 commandment. Thou shalt think about the social consequence of the program you are writing or the system you are designing. This commandment encourages programmer and system designer to consider the potential impact of their work on society. It encourages them to consider issues like data privacy, security, and online harassment. Number 10 commandment. Thou shalt always use a computer in ways that ensure consideration and respect for your fellow humans. This commandment is the golden rule of computer ethics. It emphasizes the importance of being polite online, respecting others' privacy, and not engaging in cyberbullying. For a conclusion, the 10 Commandments of Computer Ethics provide a valuable framework for navigating the ethical complexities of the digital world. By following these guidelines, individuals can contribute to a more responsible and respectful online environment. Thank you for watching.